Senzo Group of Companies, the miracle in machines. Senzo Group of Companies have come a long way since its formation in 1971, comprising of the following: Senzo Engineering Private Limited, Senzo Consultancy and Engineering Private Limited, Senzo Engineering and Plastic Company, Sino Engineering Private Limited. Mr. Matthew, Chairman and Managing Director of Senzo Group of Companies, had no formal education when he arrived in Mumbai in 1970. Initially, he visited factories repairing and modifying machines for a living. The money he received could only sponsor his hotel bills, but that did not stop him. He seemed to have an inherent talent of comprehending the working mechanism of every machine he came across, no matter how complicated it was. This talent soon had him designing and modifying machines, thereby strengthening his foundations in Mumbai. He got his first project from Siemens to manufacture flexible cords. As this product was not manufactured in India, it was imported from Germany. However, Mr. Matthew not only designed this product but also manufactured it within 2 months. In the year 1984, Senzo Engineering and Plastic Company was formed, which was named after his son, Senzo Matthews. It offered technical solutions to almost all problems related to planning, design layout, development, manufacturing, and maintenance of special purpose machines. Today, Senzo Group of Companies is one of the largest and the most reputed enterprise in the sector of engineering and manufacturing.
केरला से बाहर आ गया, पहले बॉम्बे में आया। बॉम्बे में आके तो मेरे को हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं जानता था। एक एक कंपनी में जाते हैं, मलयाली लोग रहते हैं, वो कंपनी में जाके उधर का आदमी लोग का बात करके हमने उधर क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो मिशन प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए नहीं है तो और लेबर रिड्यूस करके प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करने के लिए मिशन डिज़ाइन करते हैं और नया मिशन भी हमने डिज़ाइन करने में 50 मिशन डिज़ाइन 50 कंपनी में जाएगा तो एक दो तो कंप्लेन मिलता ही है। उसके लिए मिशन 2000-3000 रुपये में डिज़ाइन करके दे के पैसा दे। बाद में हमने एक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट एक आदमी को हमने अपॉइंट किया, MSc सेकेंड क्लास वाला है, उसको नौकरी नहीं मिल रहा था, उसको 300 रुपीज़ सैलरी में था। टाइम मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर को 300 रुपये पगार है, तो इसको 300 रुपये पगार में देके हमने इसको लेके जाके बॉम्बे, सूरत, दिल्ली और फरीदाबाद ये जगह में सब मिशन डिज़ाइन करके दिया और ऐसा ही पैसा भी कमाया। इतना स्टडी भी मेरा हो गया। नया कंप्लेंट आने से क्या होता है, स्टडी बहुत हो जाता है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है। और दूसरा कंप्लेंट मीन्स कैसा होता है, उधर का मिशनरीज का भी दिक्कत है, ये मिशन को ये प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं तो इसमें से मॉडिफाई करने का है। ऐसा ही हमने स्टडी भी हो गया और डिज़ाइनर हो गया। ऐसा ही 200-250 मिशनरीज हम ऑल ओवर इंडिया में डिज़ाइन किया है, अब्रॉड में भी कई है। आज अभी हमारे को 27 पेटेंट राइट है। अब ऐसा ही करके हम ये पोजीशन में आया आज।
He is the Chief Technology Officer at Amal Jyoti College of Engineering and is the Associate Member of National Innovation Foundation. He is a recipient of many prestigious awards. Let's look at some of his inventions. Sugarcane sampler. In order to pay the farmers on the basis of sucrose contents in sugarcane, Mr. Matthew developed the sugarcane sampler in cooperation with India's premier research organization, Vasantdada Sugar Institute, Pune, Maharashtra. The machine is eligible for 75% central government subsidy. The sugarcane sampler has already been supplied and installed at Sri Narbada Khand Udyog Sahkari Mandali Limited, Gujarat. The machine was manufactured to drill into the sugarcane bunch loaded on tractors or trucks. There are 3 drills in one machine which would smoothly drill simultaneously on the top, center, and bottom of the sugarcane bunch up to 1.5 meter and collect around 6 to 8 kgs of samples in a minute. The sample would go into a shredder, and the shredded sample would then pass through a conveyor where the probe of the analyzer is fitted. The analyzer would read the sucrose contents in the sample. The machine was demonstrated in the presence of officials from Vasantadada Sugar Institute and numerous officials from sugar industry. There is a huge demand for this product as we are shifting towards sucrose-based cane payment in our country. Here are some of the benefits of FDNIR-based analysis. Farmers will get payment based on quality of cane. This increases the tendency of producing quality cane. Factory will be benefited by paying for quality cane. The production cost will be reduced and the efficiency of the factory will be improved considerably. Base hinged hydraulic pole and mast. This product was designed to make the maintenance of street lights economical and without any risk. Dr. Abdul Kalam, former President of India, appreciated his work and said that these types of poles for lighting should not be restricted to highways alone. It should be installed even in the villages. Let's look at the working and benefits of this product. The maintenance or replacement of bulbs, etc. could be done by standing on the ground. The whole pole can be brought to the ground level with the hydraulic power pack unit, which is easily portable. After maintenance, the hydraulic unit could be detached and used for the next pole. This product has been granted patent and also commercialized. Latent carriage safety device. This device stops latent carriage from falling down in case wire rope breaks or malfunctions. High altitude safety gear. The lightweight portable device is used for laborers working on high altitude, tower, building, etc. The device is attached onto a hook and the belt is attached to the laborer's body. Let's look at the working and benefits of this product. The laborer can walk up to an area of 10 meters comfortably. If the laborer is working at 10 meters and wishes to work at 2 meters, then all he has to do is pull back and the belt automatically rewinds itself to the desired spot. The device automatically locks itself, preventing laborers from falling. Bagasse moisture reducing system. The bagasse with moisture moving through the conveyor fitted on top falls into a hopper. The bagasse coming from the hopper would fall on a wiper fitted down and further falls onto a rotating propeller. After hitting the propeller, the bagasse would disintegrate further and fall down slowly into a collecting plate fitted at the bottom. It would remain in the tray for 2 to 4 hours and then slip down into a conveyor fitted below the collecting plate. Coconut tree climbing robot. Due to shortage of coconut tree climbers and also the risk associated to it, the Kerala government gave funds to Mr. Matthew to develop a new machine to pluck coconuts. It has an apparatus which climbs along the trunk of coconut tree, pluck coconuts and also cut leaves. The robot consists of 2 semicircular frames fitted on 2 sides, both top and bottom horizontal to each other, which could be opened and closed by the hinges or nut bolts. These frames are connected to a pneumatic cylinder with a guide rod. 2 shoes are connected to pneumatic cylinders on both sides and are fitted on top and bottom frames horizontal to each other, which holds on or release the coconut tree simultaneously when the robot climbs. When the device reaches the desired height, cutting mechanism fitted on the upper semicircular frame could be guided towards the stem of the coconut bunch or leaf and would be able to cut. The bunch of coconut or leaf would fall down and the device then returns to the ground. The operations are controlled on switches by a man standing down, supported by air compressor unit. Sugarcane harvester. This equipment could be used for harvesting sugarcane. Let's look at the working and benefits of this product. The 4 circulating rollers fitted in front of the harvester pulls the sugarcane on both sides, including the fallen canes from the top. Simultaneously, the cutting disc fitted below cuts the stalks at the base and pushes the cane towards the belt drive mechanism fitted both sides, which take the cane further towards the top cutter, which would cut off the green top. Simultaneously, the cutting disc fitted below cuts the stalks at the base and pushes the cane towards the belt drive mechanism fitted both sides, which take the cane further towards the top cutter, which would cut off the green top. The cane then travels through a conveyor and gets fitted vertically through rollers and then passed through the cleaning mechanism consisting of rolling brushes that strips the leaves off and cleans the cane. The clean cane then gets deposited on the onboard container and the stripped leaves are blown off with a blower towards the field, which acts as a fertilizer. Motorized rubber tapping machine. The rubber board gave funds to Mr. Matthew for the development of motorized rubber tapping machine to cut the bark of the rubber tree to tap latex. This device could be used for the tapping of maximum rubber tree in a minute with high accuracy and precision. Rescuer from borewell. This device, operated pneumatically, helps rescue children who have fallen into borewell. Condom rolling and packing machine. It was designed for Hindustan Latex Limited for the reduction of manpower and also to enhance the quality of packing. Let's look at the working and benefits of this product. The steel shaft, which protrudes from the bottom of the rotary into the condom, keeps it tight and upright. The electronic sensor checks the condom for any damages. The steel shaft goes down and the condom also rolls down. The electronic gadget, after receiving signal from the sensor, rejects and pulls out the damaged condoms. It lubricates the condom. After lubrication, the condom is pulled towards the packing wrapper. The packing wrappers are released from 2 rollers on 2 sides and the condom is pulled into it and sealed with the help of a punching unit. The punching unit also cuts the condom packet and the locator pulls the packed condom ahead, making way for the next punching. Cashew nut shell remover. Let's look at the working and benefits of this product. The cashew nuts are fed into the feed hopper, where they come down to the conveyor belt one at a time and is pushed by means and then trapped in a cashew-shaped split case, which pierces just the shell in vertical position in progressive cutting. The shell parts into 2 and the nut falls into a collecting tray. The shell released from split case into another collecting tray. C-Wave Powerhouse. This invention relates to an apparatus which would generate constant electricity from sea waves without much maintenance or battery backup. Rolling stock shunting system. The rolling stock shunting system could be used for shunting of wagons in railway yard based on electrically operated power pack and hydraulic motor, which provides the pulling force to haul wagons in the yard. It is economical compared to the total cost in case of a dedicated locomotive. This is a simple system that needs less manpower to carry out shunting operations. Cane and bagasse feed pusher. At present, bagasse does not fall evenly onto the rollers, due to which the bagasse falls through the crushing rollers, which is unable to extract maximum juice. By pushing the sugarcane bagasse evenly into the rollers, this machine can increase the percentage of both production and sucrose level by 2%, reducing the consumption of water. There is a demand for this product from the sugar industries and the production has already commenced. This device is an attachment fitted on the sugarcane crushing line.
मेरा हिसाब से मेरा मेंटर अब्दुल कलाम साहब है। मैं वो मेरा बारे में पूरा पूछा था, उसको वो बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया मेरे ऊपर। सबसे ज़्यादा वो इंटरेस्ट एक आइटम के ऊपर अप्रिशिएट किया, हाइड्रोलिक पोल, उसका कैटलो और उसका वो दिखाया। उन्होंने बोला रूरल एरिया में यही फिट करना चाहिए। क्यों? रूरल एरिया में क्या होता है, हाइड्रोलिक पोल, कोई भी पोल फिटिंग करता है, बाद में तो मेंटेनेंस नहीं होता, ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए बकेट क्रेन नहीं है, इसलिए कम पैसा में हो जाता है। उन्होंने वो भी बात किया था। अच्छा करने के लिए एक आदमी है दुनिया में, अब्दुल कलाम, वही मेरे को अच्छा लगा उसका।